Good morning to all. I am Kriti Chaudhary, Assistant Professor in IT Department from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. So today I will discuss about AVL tree, and in my previous lecture I have discussed about BST, what is binary search tree, insertion, deletion, and some limitation of BST. After that, today in this session I will discuss about AVL tree and AVL tree overcome to BST. So it is also based on the BST property. So today I will discuss about what is AVL tree, types of rotation in AVL tree, insertion in AVL tree, and AVL tree algorithm, and after the deletion of AVL tree. So let's start. So in this session we will cover these topics. First one is AVL tree introduction. Second, types of rotation. There are the 4 types of rotation. First one is RR, means right rotation. LL, left rotation. LR, left right rotation. It is RL. It is RL. RL means right left rotation. After, next point is insertion in AVL tree, and last and deletion in AVL tree. So these points will cover in this lecture. So first one is the limitation in BST. Ki what types of limitation occur in BST after AVL will come. So when we create a BST and construct a BST according to BST property, so there is a left subq BST generated and right subq BST generated. Means you have a number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and after you construct a BST, so this is a BST tree diagram. So but according to this, here number of height is increased. So complexity of height in BST is increased. So there the complexity also increase in a BST. So this is the limitation in BST. That's why we use the AVL tree. So here the AVL tree is overcome this problem and use different types of rotation in AVL tree. So AVL tree also called a height balance tree. So AVL tree is invented by the 3 scientists. First name is the G.M. Adelson, second name is Welsky, and third name is E.M. Landis in 1962. So that's why we see that this tree is called a use first name of each scientist. First name is A V L Landis. So that's why we can say that it is also called a AVL tree. It is called because it is used for a height balance. So called a height balance BST. Because in a BST create a complexity in height, so it is height balance BST, in which each node is associated with a balance factor. Here balance factor of any node is defined as a formula. That formula is balance factor equal to height of right subtree minus height of left subtree. This is the formula of balance factor. So according to this, BF equal to height of right subtree and height of left subtree. So what is the meaning is this, and how to find out the height of right subtree and left subtree? Here we create a simple BST that is 20, 19, 17, 18. Okay, and here we create a 21, 29, 27. So height, if you want to check the height, it means you have this is a node working as a node simple, and this is also called work as a simple as a node. So here height of right subtree, so height of it is called a right subtree, or it is called a left subtree. So if you want to know about the height of 21 node, so how to check this one? According to this 1, 2, 3. Okay, Height is its all left subtree minus right subtree. That's why you say left subtree, height of right subtree node. N means node. Which node you want? You want to find out the height of any node. So it's called a node, or height of left subtree n. N means the specific node. A BST is said to be a AVL tree if the balance factor has value is 1, 0 and minus 1. 1, 0 and minus 1 is the balance factor value actually. If your balance factor is greater than 1 and minus 1, it means then you have firstly find out the balance factor by this formula. Okay, if your value of balance factor become same thing. If value of balance factor become 2 and or minus 2, then tree become unbalanced. So need to balance by balance factor. Next point is comes to the rotation. So here the AVL tree have 4 types of rotation. These rotation is different types. First one is LL rotation. It means left rotation. RR rotation means right rotation. LR rotation means left right rotation, or RL rotation means right left rotation. So what is this? If an AVL tree become unbalanced after insert on any node, okay, then rotate operation are required at a specific position. Basically the 4 types of rotation, these are LL, RR, LR and RL. In LL rotation means when your new node is insert in any subtree left or right of node, then you need a LL rotation. Okay, LL means left side. So left subtree rotation is here. Okay, right rotation means new node is inserted in the right subtree of node N. Then it need only one rotation. Means when you use LL or RR rotation, you need only one rotation. Okay, you need only one rotation. But when you use these last 2 rotation, means LR rotation and RL rotation, that time you need 2 times rotation. It need 2 times rotation. Okay. Now explain these rotation by examples. The first one is LL rotation. So LL rotation means firstly you check this given BST is balanced or not. If this given BST is balanced, there is no need any kind of rotations. Okay, but if you insert any node in your given BST, then balance factor is unbalanced, means you can say that your BST is unbalanced, then you need a balance your BST. So see this this rotation by these examples. So if you want to insert a new node, means 3, here 3 is a new node, or you want to insert this BST. It is a BST because it follows property of BST. So LL rotation is means left rotation, new node inserted in the left subtree of node N. It need only one types of rotation. Means where it is this node, where will come? So according to BST property, 3 will come this position. Okay, because 3 is the less value than root node. Okay, so according to this, firstly before apply this node, you check balance factor. So firstly check this balance factor here. For there is a no node, firstly wait एक second. Okay, fine, got it. So according to this example, firstly check the balance factor. balance factor is height of right subtree minus height of left subtree. Okay, so according to this, firstly check the balance factor BF. Firstly check is 4. Left subtree is how many here? 0. And right subtree also 0. The right minus left is 0. The balance factor of this node 4 is 0. Now comes to 5. Now check it. Right subtree is 0 and minus left subtree is height is 1. So answer is minus 1. So they didn't need any kind of rotation? No. But now you insert any other new node like 3. So you want to insert new node 3. So according to BST, 3 will come left side of 4. Okay. Now check again balance factor. So here you can use first one is again here use. So balance factor is 0 because left or right subtree both have no presented here. So balance factor of 3 is 0. Now comes to 4. Right subtree 0. So 0 minus 1. It means minus 1. 0 is right height of right subtree minus height of left subtree. Answer is minus 1. So also there is no change. Now comes to 5 node. Node to 5. Now check right subtree 0. 0 right minus height of left subtree. Height of left subtree is 1 and 2. So that is 2. So answer is minus 2. And minus 2 is minus 2 will come in balance factor. So according to AVL property, if your balance factor is 2 and minus 2, then you need a rotate. Yeah, then you need your tree is balance. Must be balanced. So now you apply LL rotation here because it is L and you also insert is a left subtree. Now it is LL rotation. So according to LL rotation means new node is inserted in a left subtree, that is 3. Of the left subtree of node N, it need only one rotation. Then this rotation is clockwise. Okay. So LL rotation need only one rotation, that is clockwise. So according to this, it is moved like this form. Okay. Now check again balance factor here. It is balance factor 0 because right minus left is 0. Against balance factor is 0 and here again balance factor is 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. So now your BST is balanced. So in LL rotation need clockwise rotation, means one time rotation. Now come to second rotation. Second rotation means RR rotation, right rotation. It means new node is inserted in the right subtree of node N. It need only same one time rotation. Means new node, firstly check balance factor. Here balance factor is 0, no need to change. Here balance factor is right minus 1 is 1. So balance factor is okay, 0 and 1. So no need to any kind of rotation required here. But you want insert a new node. Means you want to insert it 8. 8 is a new node. So according to this, need a rotation. Because now check again balance factor. 8 balance factor is 0. 6 balance factor is right minus left. Right minus left is 1. Right minus left equal to 1. But now comes to 5 and check again. It part is 0 and this part is 1 or 1, 2. So 2 minus 0 equal to 2. So its balance factor is 2. So same things again occur. Rotation requirement, because balance factor is 2. So here, according to RR rotation, you need only one rotation, but that is anti-clockwise. Okay. So after rotation, your BST shows like this form. And check again balance factor. So this is a BST, balance, height balance BST. So this rotation is okay. Now comes to next rotation, that is LR rotation. LR rotation means new node is inserted in right subtree of left subtree of any node, means it is L part and need to comes right. So here rotation is different, L and R. So in LR rotation, left right rotation need two rotation. Two rotation means firstly convert into LL, after convert into clockwise. According this example, firstly check what? Balance factor. Here balance factor is 0, okay. Here balance factor is 1, again okay. But comes to 5, 1 and 2. Height of left side is 2 and height of right side is 0. So according to this, height of right subtree minus height of left subtree. It means 0 minus 2, 2 means need to rotation here. So which type rotation is required here? LR rotation, because L then insert is right side. So LR rotation. So according to this, need two types of rotation here. So firstly, this LR rotation converted into LL rotation. So LL rotation means this form converted like this. 5, 4, 3 means move to this. 4 above and 3 under. Now L rotation. So this is again same rotation, LL rotation, and when you use the LL rotation, need to clockwise move. Okay. So one time rotation is required here and second time rotation required here. So in this case, we need 2 times rotation. Now check again balance factor, and balance factor is 0, 0, 0. Now your BST is balanced. Now comes to 4 types rotation, that is called a RL rotation. RL rotation means right left rotation. It means new node is inserted in the left subtree of right subtree of node N. It means firstly inserted is right side, okay. Now comes to left, means जो left subtree है वो हमारे right में inserted हुआ है, right side के किसके? node N. Node N is what? B. It is your node N. So again RL rotation need 2 times rotation, ठीक है. So 2 times, same things. So according to this, it is called a R because 7 is inserted the right side. Now 6 is inserted left of 7. So it is L. So rotation is RL rotation. So RL rotation need to 2 rotation. Firstly converted into RR rotation or then converted into anti-clockwise rotation. See, 5 converted into these form, anti-clock. Firstly use this rotation form is this. Fine. 6 need 7 and it is right rotation, or now comes to anti-clockwise. According to anti-clockwise, it's 6, 5, and 7. And now check again, balance factor is 0, 0, 0. So these are the simple rotation insertion. So these are the simple 4 types rotation is used in AVL if your balance factor value is 2 or -2. Now create a simple balance factor. Now create a AVL tree given number. Okay. So according to use in here, use one by one node you use inserted as a BST. But in each case, when you insert a node and check each case balance factor. If your balance factor is unbalanced, then need to rotate. Means types of rotates which I have discussed already previous slide. So let's start. Here you have some number and create a AVL tree. First one is 1. Now balance factor is 0. No need to change. Now comes to 2. Here comes to 2. So according to this 2, check again balance factor. It is 0 and it is 1. So there no need to change. Now comes to 3. According to BST, 3 where will come? After right side of this number. Okay. Again check balance factor. So according to this balance factor is 0. यहाँ balance factor is 1 क्योंकि right minus left 1. But here balance factor is 2. But which type of rotation required here? It is RR. So in RR rotation need to one time rotation. A one time rotation is anti-clockwise. So here 2, 1 and 3. Okay. Now check again balance factor 1, 0, 0, 0. Got it? Now insert a new node, that is 4. Now insert a 4. Where 4 where will come? After 3. Okay. Again check balance factor. It is balance factor is 0. It is balance factor is 0 and it is balance factor is 1. And but according to 2 and 1. So here क्या हो जाएगा balance factor? 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So there is no need any kind of rotation. So okay. It is also follow the property of BST and AVL. So this is the here the balance height balance BST. Now comes to the next node, that is 5. Now comes to next 5. So where 5 will come? Here after 4. Again check what? Balance factor. Again check balance factor. According to this, here it is used balance factor is 0. Now comes to balance factor is 1. Now comes to here balance factor is 2. Because left subtree of 3 is no 0 and right subtree is what? 0, 1. So here 2 minus 0 equal to 2. So 3 balance factor node 3 balance factor is 2. So here we create a rotation. Need to rotation or types of rotation need RR. So firstly change this point like this. 2, 1 RR rotation means anti-clockwise. Now 4, 3 and 5. Now check again balance factor. All leaf node balance factor is always 0. Okay. Now here 1 minus 1 it is 0 and 2 because कहीं से भी check करो चाहे इधर आओ चाहे 2 से 4, 4 से 5 चाहे 2 से 4, 4 से 3, 2 and height of this from 2 node 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So there is no need required to any kind of rotation. So it is a balance. Now comes to the next point, that is 6. That is 6. Now comes to 6 where will come? Here. So here also come. Now check again balance factor one by one. It is 0. it is 1, but according to this, here we use what? Sorry, it is also 2 minus 1, 1. Because 2 minus 1. The 2 minus 1 is 1. But now comes to here 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1. It is 2. So need a rotation. Where? In 3 point. Need a rotation. Rotation is which type? RR rotation. RR rotation. So RR rotation means now comes to balanced according to this, which type? Anti-clockwise. So 4 is here and 2 is here and 1 is here. Okay, according to this, and 4 right have 5 and 5 have 6. But this node here remaining. But where it will come? It will come right side of left side. It is right side of 2. Got it? Now check again balance factor 0, 0, 0, 1 and it is also 0 and 2 minus 2 it is also 0. So in each step, in each case, insert a new node and check this given node. After inserting a node, is balance means balanced or not. If not balanced, this BST, then need 2 types of rotation, which have explained in my previous slide, and check again one by one. Now you insert your last is 6. Again same, now comes to 7. So according to this, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1 and 3. Now comes to again use 7 and check balance factor is 0. So highest balance factor is check here 0, 0, 0. Here again 0, यहाँ पे here 1, then there need to 0, but here use 2. So 2 minus 0 equal to 2. So balance factor is differ from here. So again use right rotation. According to right rotation, your balance BST is 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, it is 6 because rotation is anti-clockwise. 6, 5 and 7. Again check balance factor here. So according to this, it is a simple balance. Now comes to next number is 8. Or 8 where it comes? Here. Okay. According to 8, now check again balance factor is 0, 1, 2 minus 1, it 1, 0, 0, 0, 3. So 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So there no need any kind of rotation required. Now comes to the 9 point. 9 here we use this point 9 come. And check again balance factor. So balance factor is 0 but here is 1 after including this 9. But here balance factor is changed. So this is 2 and rotation is RR. So anti-clockwise. So final your answer is 4, 2, 1, 3, 6, 5, 5. Now rotation required na here. So 8 anti-clockwise, 7 and 9. Now check again all node balance factor. So it is the balance. Now easily insert your new node, that is 10. And 10 check again each node it is balanced or not. So here 0, 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 3. 3 minus 1. So here is 2. So required here. What? Right rotation. Right rotation means final BST according to this 4, here use 8, here use 6, here use 5, now 9, use 10, but 7 is missing here. The left subtree of 8 use right side 6 is 7. Okay, 7 now comes to left side 1 and 3. Now check each case balance factor this. So this is your final BST and this BST is totally balanced. Check again balance factor 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 means all leaf node balance factor is always 0. Now check internal node left minus right 0, left minus right 0 and check again right minus left, so right is 1, again 2 minus 2 0 and 3 minus 2 1. So each node have value balance factor is 0 or 1. It means this whole tree, this whole BST is a balanced BST, or it is also called a AVL tree. So in this lecture, we will discuss about what is AVL, why we use AVL tree, and types of rotation in AVL tree, or after rotation we construct a AVL tree using balance factor, check each node. So in this lecture we have discussed these points, have I explained in my previous slides. And in my next lecture, I will discuss about the deletion in AVL tree. So this time say thank you. Thank you so much.